The riba system has caused so much homelessness that there are areas of America where you're afraid to walk through because there's 80, 90 tents and people who have no homes and people that are openly doing drugs and hepatitis and diseases are growing, and police has to go and water hose the place because the riba system has made the prices of houses so expensive that people can't afford them. But we have a solution. Yo, pay cash. If everybody had to buy their house on cash, I want to see who's got $10 million, boom, to put it down. No. Everybody thinks, well, I can pay $1,000 a month. And what does that do? It enslaves you. It makes you a slave. Because your house is $500,000, but now you're paying 0.07% interest. So now your interest over 30 years is 3 times the value of your house. So now you're paying millions. And you work a regular job, but you're paying every month, and in the beginning it's only interest. And if you miss a payment, then they take your house and they take your credit, they take your down payment, they take your money, kick you out in the streets. And if you can't, then you gotta hustle every day, you gotta work. Why? You gotta make that payment. You wanna go study Quran? You can't. You wanna go help the needy people that are going through hardships in an under part of the world? You can't, because you're a slave to the system. You're a slave to those banks.